Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my review on these three products which were sent to me by Pure Sense. And if you have been following me for a little bit now, then you probably know that recently Pure Sense sent me quite a few products, and I've actually filmed one more video for the month of December. So in case you probably missed that, I will link it in the bottom bar below. Definitely go check it out. The first thing that I want to speak about is the Pure Sense Relaxing Almond Soap. It comes in a box like this, and it's sort of a different kind of a product. Like, maybe I'm late to the party, maybe I've never seen a product like this, but it actually did take me by surprise. This is more like a massage soap bar. It has like that little bit of a pokey end on one side, if you know what I mean. Like, it has that, you know, I think it's acupressure, if I'm not wrong, I don't know, but it has that thing with which you can actually massage your body while cleansing it off in the shower. So I think that's a pretty cool idea. I've never really come across a product like this before, but if you do know about something like that, let me know that. But this is really amazing, and like I mentioned, it's the almond soap. So this is infused with almond oil, which is rich in fatty acids and minerals as well. And this soap doesn't dry out my dry skin at all. It in fact hydrates my skin, nourishes my skin, it moisturizes and gives me that healthier skin feel. And I really recommend it, especially if you have dry skin, or if you have, you know, these muscle spasms, or if you feel like your body has any sort of pain, and if you feel like you need to rejuvenate or just relax at home, something like this could come in handy, definitely. And I will mention the price of all of this in the bottom bar below. I'll just find the links to all these products and I'll put them below. I did want to mention something else. Yes, that's the smell. I love the smell of this product. I'm not a big almond smell sort of a person. I don't really appreciate that kind of smell, but then this one has really, it's got that soothing, relaxing scent to it, which I really appreciate in a soap. And I think it could really come in handy, especially if you have any sort of body pain, or if you're someone who doesn't have the time to go for any body massages and all of that. You know, a little bit of stuff at home never hurt anyone. The next thing that I have with me is a body mist, and you guys know that I am a sucker for fragrances. Like, I love scents, and especially when it comes to something fruity, I'm very picky. I love fruity scents as well. I am an all scent sort of a person, but when it comes to fruity scents, I'm really very picky. I cannot stand something that's extra sweet. I cannot stand something that's extra sour. This is actually the perfect combination of sweet and sour. And if you know me, you probably know that I have a book in that name. Anyway, for me, any body mist actually has to be very, it has to have that fragrance, but it doesn't have to be overpowering, because if it is overpowering, you have to stay with that scent till the time you have a shower next, is how I look at it. So this doesn't have that, sort of a problem. This actually does linger on my skin beautifully throughout the day, and at times I actually just spritz this on my wrist or just on my forearm, and I just keep on smelling it throughout. I keep this in my car most of the times, but at times I just put it in my gym bag as well, and I like to use it post my workout shower, because this just gives me that fresh fruity scent feeling. And this has that typical grapefruit, sweet candy, sour candy sort of a scent. It's really nice, more on the sweet end, I would say. I don't know how to describe scents, you guys, but then this is all I can tell, that I absolutely love it, and it lingers on your skin throughout the day really well. I really recommend it if you're looking for something sweetish, like candy-ish. You're gonna love the grapefruit one. And next I have is the Grapefruit Revitalizing Body Oil. You guys, this is a dry skin person's dream come true. That's how I'm gonna put it across. This is fantastic. I love body oils. I've used the macadamia one by them earlier, and I think I've probably spoken about it, I'm not sure, but I do use it in my everyday life. And I think, if I'm not wrong, that has rose petals in it, and this looks like it has, I'm not sure, but it looks like it has orchid petals, or because they look purpley, white purple petals inside, but it has something like that on the inside. I'll try and find out, and if I do get to know, I'll put it for you guys in the description box. Anyway, apart from that, this smells like grapefruit. Like I said, it smells almost exactly like this one, but more like in an oil form, so you can use it on your entire body to hydrate, nourish and moisturize your body. What I like about it is that this does not, it does not leave that greasy, oily, that layer on top of your skin. It actually just seeps into your skin so beautifully, making your skin look like it's shining. And I'm not even kidding, I'm gonna show you guys. So my hand is pretty dry, and I'm just gonna show you what it feels like. and it smells amazing. I can smell it. So anyway, this actually just, you know, seeps in into the skin, making your skin look so nice and healthy, and that's what I really like about it. This hand of mine doesn't have any body oil, so you can tell the difference. Like, this hand looks pretty dry, and this one does look a little bit more, you know, nourished and healthy for sure. I like that this leaves that healthy glow to my skin, because my skin is normally dry, so it doesn't look as healthy, especially the skin on my body during the winter months. It needs extra hydration, otherwise you'll feel like you're looking at some old lady's hands. And my elbows are pretty dry as well, so I feel like this does feel very good on my dry, ashy elbows for sure. I really like it. I highly recommend it, especially if you have dry skin. Even if you have an oily skin, I think this will probably work for you for sure, because it doesn't feel greasy at all. In fact, you know, it just feels moisturizing enough. It doesn't feel greasy. So I think even if you do have, you know, an oily skin, you're gonna like this, especially for the winter months. I love the lingering scent of this as well. It just, you know, stays on your skin throughout the day. It smells so good, and I smell of body mist and body oil both together, so basically I smell like grapefruit right now. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really hope that this was helpful to you. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up. Please write your thoughts in the comments below. It's been a while I did a chit chat or talkative video, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this one. And if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And I'll also find all the links to all of these 3 products, and I'll put them in the bottom bar for you guys, just in case you feel like buying them. Have a great day. I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.